Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com and I'm here with my husband and we are in Utah. We are getting ready to go to the Good and the Beautiful Homeschool Convention, so we're really excited. Yeah, we had to take 2 airplanes yesterday. It was my very first time on an airplane, so that was exciting. I did really well until we landed here in Salt Lake City and turbulence got to me, so that didn't go too well. But it's really gorgeous here with all of these mountains with snow on top. We're definitely not used to seeing that in Alabama, so I'm gonna take you guys along with us. We got the baby too. He's back there. Say hi, Eli. He's not gonna turn around and look at us, but yeah, we brought the baby and the other kiddos are staying with grandparents, so it's gonna be a fun weekend. So you just watched my intro and now we are back home in Alabama. We had a fabulous time in Utah. It was so much fun. The Good and the Beautiful convention was amazing. I learned so much from everybody there, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I learned, the things that really stuck out to me as far as the presentations. You saw in the intro, I did get to go on a tour of the warehouse where all of our Good and Beautiful curriculum gets shipped out to us. So that was pretty amazing to see that space and to see all of that gorgeous curriculum there waiting to go out to homeschool families like you. So yeah, I can't even remember all of the statistics that Jenny told us about the Good and the Beautiful, but one that I do remember that sticks out is that within a year, the Good and the Beautiful grew by 1,000%. You guys, I think that is a testament to how needed this curriculum was in the homeschool community, and just how much it has blessed so many families. So, you know, after going there and meeting everybody behind the scenes of this company, I just feel that much more excited and encouraged to keep promoting the Good and the Beautiful and to tell you guys about it, because the people that are behind this curriculum are truly amazing people who want to help homeschool families, who want to bring beauty, truth, and goodness to the world through homeschooling families. And we can do it as homeschool moms and dads. We can do this. We can change the world through our kids and provide them with amazing curriculum that can help also. So yeah, it was such an amazing experience. Now I will talk a little bit about a few of the presentations. So the one that stuck out to me the most on the first day was a presentation by Mikhail Monson from Monson Schoolhouse on YouTube. and she is so funny. I've watched some of her YouTube videos. I had no idea she was going to be such a hilarious speaker, but she had all of us rolling, and she talked a lot about how we are God's warriors. We can change the world in our homes with our children. And it was a very encouraging presentation. The next day, day 2, some of the presentations that really stuck out to me were the first presentation about traveling abroad with kids and doing it affordably. You know, I have always wanted to travel, but I think the biggest thing that has stopped us from going anywhere is just money, and the fact that, you know, we have a large family, so anytime we travel, it costs us quite a bit of money. And I learned lots of great tips and tricks for, you know, making travel, even traveling abroad, more affordable. So that was a very good presentation. Ashley from Grace and Grit spoke about self-doubt and how to overcome that as a homeschool mom, and I thought that was wonderful. I think the presentation by Mindy Eldridge, she actually writes the math curriculum for the Good and Beautiful. She talked about different, not necessarily mental illnesses, but maybe mental disabilities, you know, how sometimes we label our children. And she talked about how those can be advantageous in our homeschools, how we can use those to help our children, different ways that we can help our children who may have some learning disabilities or, you know, stuff like that. And that was a very informative presentation. She gave us lots of great books to check out and things like that. And then I went to a presentation on teaching foreign language, because that, I guess that kind of goes with my desire to travel. Also just, you know, expanding my kids' cultural awareness through foreign language. So that was a great presentation. And then I listened to Jenny's presentation on Good and Beautiful books and how to bring those into our homes, which I've got lots of Good and Beautiful books to show you guys. And then also her presentation on fostering creativity and you know, helping to limit screen time and different things that kids can do once we kind of pull back that screen time. I think my husband, he may not admit it totally, but I'm pretty sure that presentation probably resonated with him the most, because as soon as we got home, he started setting up screen time limits for our kids. And I was like, yeah. And he makes jokes with me about, oh, Jenny wouldn't be happy with your screen time, because obviously as a blogger, my kids are loud. As a blogger, I do spend quite a bit of time. So as a blogger, yeah, I'm spending a lot of time on the computer and stuff. So he just kind of, I gotta have a visitor back here. He just kind of makes jokes with me about my screen time and what Jenny would say about it. But anyway, it's funny. So let's get into the haul. What did I get from the Good and Beautiful convention? It was gorgeous. They had all of the stuff set up. Can you sit down and play, buddy? They had all of the stuff set up for us, and it was so much fun to just walk through, look at everything. They had everything in binders so you could look at it before you actually purchased it. It was awesome. So let's get started with the first thing here. I've got my coffee mug. It says, "Look for the Good and the Beautiful today." Isn't it pretty? And my child is being funny with me. Yes. Thank you, Isaac. Here you go. Yeah, so that is awesome. Cool coffee mug. Each attendee got one of these bags. Nice burlap bag. This would make a great library bag. So I'm going to show you guys. I think we're going to start with the science units that we got. Okay. Botany. So we're going to be using botany next year, and I will go back through these whenever I do my homeschool curriculum show and tell or whatever. I'll show you guys what we're using for everything, for all of our subjects. But I got botany, okay. And then I got water in our world. So that is another one that we're going to be using. And then meteorology. This got wet. It's not the Good and Beautiful's fault, but when we came home, it was raining and it got wet in the bag that it happened to be in. Okay, so we got botany, water in our world, and meteorology. I picked up I picked up Typing 2 from the Scratch and Dent sale. I still need to get Typing 1. For some reason, I just completely forgot to go look for it when I was picking out my curriculum. So I've got Typing 2 to get started. And then I did end up getting 3 of the nature notebooks for us to use, you know, just a supplemental nature study. And these were really too sweet to pass up. I mean, I think especially my older children will enjoy doing these. That was a blank page, but here you go. So I got 3 of those. Now everything else that I got is related to the Good and the Beautiful library. So we are filling up our library with Good and Beautiful books. So let's get started. I'm just gonna go through here and show you guys. Okay, so let's get started with the first book. This is The Golden Hawks of Genghis Khan. This is a level 8 book. So that looks like fun. My kids are actually fighting over which books they were going to read first. So this is Susie and Lizzie, the box set. There's 2 books in here. This one is a level 5. I have another visitor. Okay, this one goes with botany. This is Trees in Their World. This is a level 7. Super cute. I think this will be a fun read aloud for us when we're studying botany. And then I got the Beanie box set. This one hasn't been opened, but this one is a level 4. It includes Beanie and his dog and Beanie and his pony. This one looks super, super cute. They're super, super cute. Okay, this one is one I'm gonna read. A Girl of the Limberlost. This is level 11. Next one, Melissa Across the Fence. This is level 5. Freddie and Linda. This one is a level 3 book. So we got the Mail Wagon Mystery. This is a level 6. Yeah, you hold on to that one. I'm almost finished, okay? And then we have Sammy. That one is a level 3. Tiger of the Mountain, level 7. A Yard for John, level 3. This is the Sydney Baldwin box set, Princess Hildegard and Young Prince Hubert. Excuse me. These are level 7. These look very, very cute. My daughter was excited about these. And then lastly, I got Beginner Books A and Beginner Books B for my beginning readers. And these are really adorable. My first graders already started reading them. So just to give you a little peek inside. Like this. Okay, so that is it for my Good and Beautiful haul. We had a fabulous time at the convention. I'd really love to be able to go back next year. Utah is gorgeous. It was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. We'll have lots and lots more info on the Good and the Beautiful this coming school year. So, gotta go take care of it, baby. Talk to y'all later. Bye.